In this video, I'll show you how anyone with a smartphone can earn crypto for free by going outside and recording sound with a click of a button. I'll show you how to do this and how to get the maximum earnings, and also what you should avoid to not become invalid for these earnings. The app and company offering this free mining app is called Silencio, and it's available in the App Store or Play Store, and you can use it with a click of a button to measure sound pollution, and you get rewarded for doing it. Anyone can download the app, but to be able to log in, you do need to use a code, and you can use my code Nordic if you want, and you'll get right into the app and can start using it. But before you do, should you record sound indoors in the same spot? Can you record whilst driving? I will answer all of those questions and a lot more later in this video. But first, what even is Silencio? Why do we record and earn from it? Silencio is a company with a goal to create a world noise pollution map. As you know, a lot of noise is not good for us people, and a lot of companies could therefore use a noise pollution map to best optimize for their products, services or houses, such as for real estate agencies, hotels, restaurants, city planners and a lot else. And Silencio can gather that data and have chosen to utilize people with their own smartphones to do so. And we, the people who record and gather the data, get rewarded for it. So how do we begin earning? After downloading and logging into the app, you simply just go outside and click this button here, and it will start record and you start earning. You get 1 noise token per minute of recording. The longer you record, the more noise tokens you get. Here on the map symbol, you can see that the entire world is divided into hexagons and smaller hexagons made up of 7 square meters. So now you can just freely go around and record, and you will collect sound data automatically for each hexagon you are within. You can also see here that hexagons that have a green color means that someone has recorded there and that the noise levels there were low. A yellow color means medium noise levels, and red means high noise levels. And even though these areas have been recorded before, you can still go there and record and earn noise tokens. The more recordings, the more accurate the data becomes. If a hexagon or area do not have any color, the area have not been recorded yet, and recording where no one else have recorded before is even better, which I'll tell you more about here soon on how to get the best earnings. But where do these earnings come from and what are they? The noise tokens that we get for recording are testnet tokens, part of Silencio's beta phase. That is because Silencio is just starting out and they have a beta phase, an initial starting phase. But all beta testers who use the app and contribute with data will receive an airdrop with real crypto, and that crypto will be based on how many noise tokens we have collected, how many hexagons we have recorded in, how many undiscovered hexagons we have discovered, and a few other parameters. The airdrop will be 3% of Silencio's total token supply. So the more testnet noise tokens we have collected and the more data we have contributed with, the more of the airdrop we will get. And this airdrop is set to occur after Silencio have launched their mainnet. When will that happen? We don't know. How much the reward will be worth in dollars, we have no idea. Now, here are some things you need to know to not record sound the wrong way. The sound quality of our recordings are of course very important. If you record bad quality data, you might not get anything in the end. So when we record with our phones, make sure to have the phone out in the open when recording. Don't have the phone lying inside your jacket whilst recording. Also, try to talk as little as possible, don't have any conversation or make a lot of noise whilst recording. As of now, do not record indoors. Make sure to only go around outdoors and record for now. Also, do not record whilst in a car or a train or a bus or similar. You have to be outdoors. It is, however, possible to walk when recording, and the recording will then go on over and cover multiple hexagons as you walk. But you have to have the app up and running whilst recording. The app does not work in the background yet. One recording can be 15 minutes at max, and when that 15-minute recording is done, you can just start another one. Recording the same area multiple times can be okay. The company are looking for how noise and sound changes at the same location at different times during during the day. However, don't overdo it. You cannot record at home in your house 24/7. Recording the same place too many times just to try and get as many tokens as possible will not work. So, what is the best way to earn the most of these noise tokens and get the biggest reward? Well, in my opinion, the best way to earn the most amount is to walk with your phone in your hand and try and discover as much undiscovered hexagons as possible. Be first to discover them, the more you will be rewarded in the end. So make sure to be early on this and record all the nearby hexagons in your nearby area first, before anyone else does. You can also walk the same route multiple times and spread them out over different times during the day to get the most out of your nearby surrounding area. Now, let me know how many noise tokens you have collected so far in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.